and welcome back. Another standing pose tutorial today. This one is side angle. For side angle, our legs look very much like they do in Warrior 1 and Warrior 2. It's the upper body that changes. So we will start with our Warrior 1 or Warrior 2 legs. They look pretty much the same here. So a lunge in the front leg, back leg at an angle, outer pinky side edge of the foot really pressing in there. And usually for side angle, it's part of a flow of standing poses that we take. So we might do Warrior 1, we'll do Warrior 2, we'll reverse, coming into our peaceful warrior. And then I'll often suggest side angle. For side angle, that top arm, that front arm, is going to rest very lightly, the forearm, on the front thigh. Starting there, pressing into those legs. Option to lift the back arm towards the sky. Gaze is straight ahead, maybe the forehead or the top of the head a little bit higher than the chin. This arm's giving you trouble, feel free to bring it down. Hand on hip. Lots of work going on here. Breathing here. One of the keys is to put very little weight into this forearm here. We don't want to be dumping into this arm. Not that it's dangerous to do so, it just doesn't give your legs the opportunity to work as much as perhaps you'd like. So very little weight here. You also could bring a block by this arm and put your hand on the block, or if it's available, even touch the ground. But just like with triangle pose, the goal isn't to get the hand on the ground. We still want to keep that lots of space here. So again, the arm position, I'd rather you be perhaps more up and get more of a nice chest opening here. If it feels all right for the arm to be up towards the sky, you could make this extended side angle by lowering it over that ear, inviting perhaps more of a stretch right along here. And breathe. The one more challenging thing I sometimes offer in this pose is an opportunity to work on your obliques, which are some of your abdominal muscles. To do that, you get goalpost arms. Oh my goodness. And then you reverse your arms. And then come back. And we do this a few times if you choose. I have some students that will take this flow during class. I have others that will remain in side angle. Any variation of side angle. What's funny is if you try this a few times, it's amazing how much simpler side angle will seem after doing that flow. So lots of options for side angle. We'll then usually come up to Warrior 2 and move through some more standing poses. So give this a try, come to class. I'd love to show you in person how you can best get into this pose for your body.